Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can have this PS1, 2, 3 or 4 intro screen along with the theme on your PlayStation 5. So make sure you watch this video till the very end because I'm going to show you the complete setup. Anyways, let's begin the video. First of all, this update is available for a limited period of time as it is celebrating Sony's 30th anniversary. So in order to have the menu, what you're going to go is to go on the very top right, go to settings. From here you're going to open system, go to system software, update and settings, update software using internet. So basically we want to update the software of our PlayStation 5 so that we can get the menus update. So you can see that the update size is 1.32 GB and it will download depending on your internet speed. Once the update has been completed, just install it on your PlayStation. It's going to install the latest software update on our PlayStation. And by default we have the original PS1 intro screen with the 30th anniversary logo, which means that we have the latest update. Here you can see celebrate PlayStation 30th anniversary from December 3rd 2024. So they do not tell the exact deadline, but you can use it as long you have it. Here you have different things according to the generation that you want to choose. So by default it's on the PS5, but if you go on the top right, go to settings, on the very top you're going to have the PlayStation 30th anniversary icon. Just click on it. From here you can change it to the 30th anniversary one. If you like the PS1, go with PS1 theme, the PS2 theme, PS3 or the PS4 theme. Personally my first PlayStation was the PS2, so I'm going to go with the PS2 theme, and now it will be applied. Here you have the sound that you actually had in the PS2 along with some icons on the background. So yeah guys, in this way you can have the PS1, 2, 3 or 4 theme and the menu screen on your PlayStation. Again, when you're going to restart it, you're also going to have the PS2 splash screen. But yeah guys, this is for a limited time. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.